What's going on, you guys? Pizza Boy Anthony here. And as you had not noticed, I just got my hair cut. Haven't made a video in a while. I'm making this video in respects to my favorite YouTuber, Tommy's Puppet Lab, just lost one of his loved ones. One of his budgies. His parakeets. The parakeet name is Bella. Bella just passed away ever since Chico, the other parakeet, passed away 2 years ago. Tommy lost all of his parakeets. 2 of his parakeets are gone. He has nothing left. Now his house is so quiet now. I bet Tommy is crying. I'm sending my best to Tommy, since I feel bad for him. I feel bad that he has to live in a quiet house with no care at all. I know that he can care for himself, but it would just feel a lot more loved if he lived with other animals. So that's what I want to do. I want to send some respects to Tommy and send my best to him. That's all I gotta say. Rest in peace, Bella and Chico. It was great parakeets, as